Oh yes, you see that shine. All right here. Just kidding. There's so many videos about this collection. How many looks can you get from one quad? But I was just excited to get this stuff and try it out, and I'm really happy that I got it. Well, first of all, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ava. I love all things beauty. So I finally got my Divine Rose 2 collection. I did not own the big palette, so I purchased it. Okay, I've always loved fashion, hair, makeup, but I've never collected makeup. I feel like now I'm kind of in that collector's realm. Two things happened last year. Between the pandemic, I turned 40. I just started to explore different things about myself. At the end of all my videos, I've been saying you're never too young or too old to unleash your beauty and explore your style. And what I mean by that is that I feel like we all have beauty within us. And sometimes we just need to unleash it and let it go. And yes, like the beauty inside is just bubbling, and we just need to just let it out. And so when I say you're never too young or too old to unleash your beauty, that's what I mean, and explore your style. Like, it's really not that deep, but at the same time it means something to me, because I have felt at times like, oh, I'm too old to do this or that, or I'm too young to do XYZ. And it's like, no, who says? You're not too young, you're not too old. We're all beautiful. We all have beauty within us, and even when we don't feel like we are, we just need to let it live and blossom and develop and accept the fact that yes, we are all beautiful. I don't know why I just felt like sharing that, but hopefully it made some kind of sense. I am corny and nostalgic and a little bit out there, but that's me. It's beautiful packaging. I'm probably preaching to the choir, but this is just so gorgeous. Today I created the look I have right now with the new Eternal Eden quad, and so definitely stay to the end to see how I did that. I also used the highlighter. Now I have very textured skin, I have large pores, and so, you know, I don't normally wear a lot of highlighter, and I do try to just keep it up in these areas, but I really did like this, and I actually felt like it was a lot lighter than I expected it. And so I used it with a brush, and then I also kind of used it with my finger as well. I have the Mattrance lipstick on with actually both lip liners that came, the Buff and Suburbia and Buff. I have both lip liners on. I started with the Buff and then put the lipstick, and then I just felt like it was too light, so I added the Suburbia. My lips are so dry right now, so I actually did have to add a touch of gloss. I used the bright pink as a blush. You know, it's so pigmented and so bright. I just tried to get a really fluffy brush. I used the BK Beauty 104. It's very soft and I feel like it did a good job of diffusing the blush. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening if you did. Give me some rose emojis if you just listened to my all over the place rant. And really, I do want to hear from you, so let me know in the comments, what do you think? But I truly do thank you for watching. Wherever you are in the world, have a blessed day. And remember, you're never too young or too old to unleash your beauty and explore your style.